Hello, how do you do? I am the
Cock.
I am from
Uzbekistan.
take jobs and money home.
Well done, Einstein.
I need to feed my
Fire, woo.
I woke up in the middle of the night and I noticed that I wanted a curry. So I phoned up the curry shop, asked for a curry, said they deliver it to me. Came about 12:30 and I paid for the curry. It was £5. What a rip-off, I do say.
Ooh, that brother's floating in the air. How could his hands do this? Oh, someone get him out the air.